Hi there, everyone. Welcome to Supercharged Productivity. Get ready to skyrocket your productivity levels, break targets, and live the successful life you've always dreamed about. In this section, we'll be looking at the myth that is time management. Ask any successful business or individual out there, and they'll tell you right off that higher levels of productivity are a crucial aspect in ensuring revenue growth and success. Many individuals and corporations willingly invest large sums of money and effort in order to improve in this area. High levels of productivity in individuals helps to bring them closer to their success targets within a shorter time period and prevents needless waste of time, money, and effort. Productivity can be defined as the quality, state, or fact of being able to generate, create, enhance, or bring forth goods and services. Simply put, it's just how much one can get done in a set period of time. Both productivity and time management are strongly correlated. Higher levels of productivity are usually the result of better time management. However, the term time management is really a misnomer. Time can't be managed or influenced. It's pretty much just out of control. We are all allocated just 24 hours in a day, no more, no less. Time, however, is fleeting and so easily taken from us. Unexpected things pop up all the time. Priorities change. Things go terribly wrong. You get sick or tired. You can only do so much. You can, however, control you and your choices. Time management is more correctly about self-discipline and task management. It's the management of expectations as well as interruptions. It's the ability to manage your actions, habits, and priorities based on the time you're given. Also, time management's not a one-system-fits-all method. Different people have different styles. Some may find that a to-do list works for them. Others may find to-do lists hard to follow and demotivating. It's all about finding your groove. So, do you think multitasking is good because you want to manage time better? Well, that's a bad idea. Contrary to popular belief, faster and more is not always better. You're more likely to make mistakes with multitasking, which will result in you doing things over again. Stick to focusing on one task at a time and taking sufficient breaks whenever you need them. Striving to complete each task no matter how long it takes is also not a wise idea when it comes to time management. Restrict your time spent on a task and schedule accordingly. As you can see from the few examples I've shown, and there are a lot more, a lot of what we know regarding time management are in fact myths. But these myths over time and through the people around us or the media we consume become deeply ingrained within our mindsets. This prevents us from becoming truly and fully productive in any aspect of our lives.